Bangkok on a shoestring. The adventure begins. Welcome to Bangkok, the city of angels, land of smiles, crazy traffic, and delicious food. You think you need a fat wallet to enjoy it? Think again. Bangkok is a budget traveler's paradise. With $50 a day, you can eat amazing food, see stunning temples, and even get a Thai massage or two. Forget fancy hotels and expensive tours. We're going local. We're talking street food feasts for under $5, hostel dorms for less than the price of a coffee back home, and river taxis that cost pennies. Get ready to haggle in bustling markets, explore ancient temples, and soak up the vibrant chaos that is Bangkok. This isn't your average guidebook stuff. This is about experiencing the real Bangkok, on a budget that won't make you cry. So ditch the fancy luggage, grab your backpack, and get ready for an adventure. Bangkok awaits. If you enjoyed this guide, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more budget travel videos and watch our videos to the end. We deeply appreciate your support. Now, first things first, you need a place to crash. Forget fancy hotels. Bangkok has hostels galore. For $10 to $15 a night, you can snag a comfy bed in a dorm room, meet fellow travelers, and maybe even join a pub crawl or two. Looking for a bit more privacy? No problem. Guest houses and budget hotels offer private rooms for around $20 to $30. Sure, they might not have a rooftop pool, but they're clean, comfortable, and easy on the wallet. My personal favorite is the Souk 11 hostel in the heart of Sukhumvit. Stylish, social, and affordable, it's the perfect base for exploring the city. Plus, they have free breakfast. Remember, you're only sleeping there. Get out and explore the city. Get ready for a culinary adventure. Bangkok is a street food paradise. Forget fancy restaurants, the best food is found on the sidewalks. For a couple of dollars, you can feast on pad thai, spicy curries, fresh spring rolls, and mango sticky rice that will rock your world. Explore the markets like Chatuchak Weekend Market or the night markets for a dizzying array of culinary delights. Don't be afraid to try something new, and wash it all down with a refreshing iced tea or a fresh coconut. Pro tip: look for stalls with long lines of locals. That's where you know the food is good. Bangkok's public transport system is cheap, efficient, and a bit crazy, in a good way. The BTS SkyTrain and MRT subway are your best bets for zipping around the city center. Fares start at around 30 cents. For a more adventurous and cheaper experience, hop on a river taxi or a tuk-tuk. Just be prepared to haggle. Pro tip: avoid taxis during rush hour. You'll be stuck in traffic for hours. And for short distances, embrace the power of walking. You'll discover hidden alleyways, street art, and local life that you'd miss otherwise. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up. Share your thoughts on budget travel in the comments. And subscribe for more budget travel tips and videos about budget-friendly vacations.